Hey guys, it's your boy Thorn back at it again with some quality, well-scripted video content for your eye holes. So, I've been asked many times, Thorn, how do you make really nice spheres? Well, fear not, for I have you, friend. Now, the first thing you do is delete these stinky extras that you get in the new scene, and then you add a cube, okay? And then what you do is go into the modifiers tab, hit the subdivision circle. It's already making cube shapes, okay? And then you just put viewport up to 6 and right click and shade smooth, okay? Now look at that, look, it's spherical. This is the only way, proper way. Now I know what you're thinking, why not just use the UV sphere? What do you think you're doing? You do not use the UV sphere. You're actually insulting my intelligence. This is the right thing to use. For watching the video, please like and subscribe.